Thank you so much for tuning to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel designated to all new Outlander, PHEV and everything else. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because this channel will cover a lot of new PHEV stuff when it comes out. So finally, Canadian pricing is revealed on all 5 trim levels on the all new PHEV, and basically the first arrivals are going to be within weeks, so that's super exciting times. We'll get our hands on all those Outlanders very soon. And basically here we go. So the pricing on the all new 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV will start at 46,538 Canadian dollars for the entry level ES trim level, and will go up from there. So basically, just a quick note, all pricing we talk about in this video on all 5 trim levels is going to be base MSRP, or manufacturer's suggested price, and that doesn't include the freight and PDI, dealer fees, accessories, dealer pricing adjustments, or whatever it might include, right? So basically, one thing to keep in mind in freight and PDI. So to give you an example, currently PDI and freight to BC is $1,900, and this might change over time as the rates go up and down for the shipping. And also I would figure probably this varies from province to province as well, right? So this MSRP doesn't include the freight and PDI and all the other stuff, right? And also keep in mind that the two-tone roof option and some color options are going to be a little bit extra as well, but not too much. So now, when it comes to pricing itself, so dealers may sell for less or for more, add some accessories, add some fees, whatever the case is going to be. So during this situation with shortages and everything else, it's not exclusive to Mitsubishi, but it's like throughout the industry. There's many people who say, hey, dealers mark up the pricing and everything else. So our dealership won't be marking up the MSRP, but each dealer can decide individually what they're going to do, right? Just because we don't doesn't mean nobody else is going to do it. So we won't. So do your research when you buy your car, so to speak, right? So back to pricing, I must say that I personally thought the pricing is going to be higher than it is. I'm very pleasantly surprised with the price point that Mitsubishi came out for the 23 PHEV, considering how many pre-orders we already taken and all the other people that are waiting to test drive one before they make a decision. I think the pricing is very reasonable, and I thought it's going to be more, to be honest, than it actually is. So that basically makes, you know, this Outlander in today's markets like the smartest choice for many families. Great vehicle. So okay, so there are 5 trim levels on the all-new Outlander: ES, LE, SCL, GT, and GT Premium. And now let's cover MSRP pricing on all of them. So, and again, this is MSRP before the freight and PDI, dealer adjustments, and everything else. Okay, so here we go. ES is 46,538, and it's got a bunch of good options: super all-wheel control standard, many airbags, all the you know, the safety features are standard on that as well. Now then, next up we move to LE, and the LE is going to be at $51,238, and this one has a pretty big upgrade. You know, then you have panoramic sunroof, 360 camera, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, and many other things. Then after that we do have the SCL, and the SCL is going to be at 54,048 Canadian dollars, and it's going to have 20-inch wheels, leather seats, and a front passenger seat, and rain sensing wipers, bunch of other useful things. Then from the SCL, next one up is going to be the GT, and the GT is going to be priced at 56,348, and you know, that has a lot of like safety, My Pilot system, full you know, digital screen, and the head-up display, Bose upgraded sound system, etc. And then the GT Premium, which has the two-tone leather and front massage seat function, will be priced at 57,048 Canadian dollars. So super exciting SUV. We do have 20-hour kilowatt battery. We do have the 61 kilometer all electric range. Now, mind you, that 61 kilometers has caused a lot of discussion online, because other countries it's rated like 80 plus kilometers. I think, you know, Canada, maybe due to the weather, maybe because it's mountainous terrains, they allow that range. I think the real life readings are going to be much higher than that. But all the 7 seat options, super all-wheel control, is just so exciting times to be part of the Mitsubishi and to drive one right now. So there we go. We just covered all MSRP pricing on all 5 trim levels, and the first Outlanders are literally weeks away from landing here in BC. So very exciting times. Thank you so much again to all current subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, because we'll be doing model comparisons. I'll be explaining a lot of stuff. We'll do test drives, real life, range, kind of like, test drives and everything else. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next videos.